This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side compartment, behind the glove box, and can be easily replaced. Open the glove box. Disengage and remove the glove box stops from both sides of the glove box. Then open the glove box fully to allow access to the cabin filter access cover. While depressing the retaining clips at both ends of the cabin filter access cover, remove the access cover. Pull the cabin filter out from the housing. On your new filter, note the airflow arrow direction and install your new replacement cabin filter. Install the access cover. Reinstall the glove box stops and the job is complete.